Welcome back, traders. Price is pulling back on us now, but we are back at break even. We only adjusted our stop loss back to where it was. This is a 4 pip stop loss. Entry here, you can see it clearly here. This is our entry, and we have a 4 pip stop loss above the weak areas. We expect price to get back here, so that's what we did. We only adjusted our back to where it was. We were at break even. So if you are on the live feed, you should consider liking the stream. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel, you should subscribe so that you get notified whenever we're having a live stream or whenever we upload a video to the community. Don't want to seem like a beggar. If you haven't subscribed, you should subscribe to the channel. It helps push the content out to more people. So I think depending on your lot size, if you can safely place your stop loss above these weak areas. I think this works, but I'm using a more bigger stop loss. That's why my stop loss is above this last bearish candle. But if you are using a smaller stop loss, you can place it above these wicks here. Thank you. So price is moving sideways. We still expect price to continue down based on the news released today. And like I said, if you haven't subscribing to the channel, like the video, you get notified whenever we are having this live stream. We trade the news live, and normally we usually have the live stream every day, every single day. We trade the New York section for 1 hour every day. So price is pushing down a little bit. When price push down to around this level, you can safely go to break even again. But for now, I think I'm leaving my stop loss above the wick here, above this last bearish candle. Hold on. So price is moving in our direction now. We expect price to continue down based on the news. If you haven't liked the video, you should like the video. It takes you a second to do that. And subscribe to the channel so that you get notified whenever we're having a live stream. I need price to push a little bit down here to go break even again. So imagine if we did not adjust it, did not go back to the stop loss area, could have been stopped out by this week here. You know, the market is very volatile now based on the news. That's why we have to go back to our stop loss. We were at break even initially, but we have to put back our stop loss. We have 24 viewers, 25 viewers now, and only 1 like. I'm just pleading. You should like the video if you found it useful, and subscribe if you haven't subscribed, so that you get notified whenever we're having this live stream. And it helps the growth of the channel. It helps push the content out to more people. We are not paying for this. So if you are getting any value, you should like the video. I don't want to seem like a beggar, but it does well for the growth of the channel. I think we can go to break even again now, putting back our stop loss. I think if the market is going down, there's no reason to come back to this level again. It has been ranging for a while here with multiple week rejections. So if the market is truly going to go down, I can't see a reason why it's going to still go back up to that level. We have removed the risks from this trade. We have a free trade now. So it doesn't matter what happens. Just let our trade run. Just let the trade run. I'm currently in profit. But for this, I think it's just a one-to-one. I'm using a mini lot size 0.30 as I'm risking, and I'm risking. I initially entered the trade with a 4 pip stop loss, so I'm initially risking $120 on this trade. So we are above one to one risk to reward. But I usually go for a 1 to 3. So I need price to get to at least 300 to consider closing the trade. 300 to consider closing the trade. Because remember, your edge in the market is your risk to reward and your risk management. So that's why I don't want the habit of closing a trade too early. As long as I've removed the risks on this trade, I'm going to let it run. If we end up winning the trade, that's great. But if we get at pause, at break even, fine, that's trading. But I'm trying to let you guys try to cultivate the habit of holding your trades a little bit longer. Don't be eager to close your trades early. Your risk to reward is your edge in the market. That's all is going to guarantee you in the long time. So we only have 2 likes. If you're on the live stream and you haven't liked the video, I think you should consider liking. It takes you a second, but it does well for the channel. And if you are not in the trade now, you should avoid taking a sell because price is likely to pull back. You shouldn't take a sell now. You should wait for price to pull back to this level again to take a sell. Avoid taking any sell now. If you are not in the trade, if you haven't taken a sell at this level, price is likely to pull back, and that's where you can still enter into the market. If you haven't subscribed, you should subscribe to the channel, like the video so that you get notified whenever we're having a live stream. Sorry about our network connection. The network is a little bit slow. So price is pulling back on us. Entry our break-even level. I almost stopped out in this trade, but I'm not adjusting my entry, my stop loss. If it is a break-even trade, fine, we'll let it go. You are not going to win all your trades, and that's one of the rules to remember. I can safely adjust my stop loss above this level, but I'm trying to develop a discipline. When I set my trades, I walk away. I don't adjust the stop loss. And there you have it. I almost stop out in this trade. Thank you for the likes. If you haven't liked the video, you should like the video. Subscribe to the channel so that you get notified whenever we're having these live streams. You learn a lot. You are not paying for it. So it takes you a second to like the video, subscribe to the channel. It helps in the growth of the channel, and the content get pushed out to more people. More people can benefit from this. So we almost got stopped out in this trade, but as long as we have removed the risks from the trade, doesn't really matter. We are not going to win all of our trades. So if it's a break-even trade, we have to let it go. We are almost at break-even. Thank you for the likes. It was a wonderful session. We're almost at break-even. We almost stopped out in this trade, but I hope you guys learn a lot. And if you haven't subscribed, subscribe to the channel. We have this live stream every day from Monday to Fridays. There's a lot to be learned. You are not paying for it. So thank you for the likes. So thanks for the likes. Just waiting for these trades. Said I would get our price continue pushing down in our direction, which we hope for. But whichever way it plays out, that's trading for you. I'm just trying to cultivate a good habit of not adjusting our stop loss or being impulsive whenever we're in a losing trade. So I think we'll be stopped out any moment from now. That's trading for you. Success. If you want a long-term success, you need a discipline. I could have closed the trade when price was at this level, but it wasn't part of my plan. I made a plan to hold it longer for a 1 to 3 risk to reward, and if that doesn't play out, that doesn't close the trade. And there you have it. We have a break-even trade, and price is pushing up again, back down to these levels. So I still think the market is going down. It's going to go down. Well, you need to wait for price to get back to these highs, this 24.72. If you're trying to take a sell, so that you can safely place your stop loss above these weeks, these 2 weeks here. You can safely place your stop loss there. So you can still enter a trade here if you want. You can still take a sell, because I still think the market is going down. but you should also have your own analysis. Don't just take my word for it. Do your own analysis. If you are going to take the sell, it should be based on your own analysis, because look at what's happening here. From the daily time frame, this whole concept is a double top pattern. This is a key level. As you can see, we have 2-week rejection when price came here before. So I think this is a strong level and price is going to hold it. Maybe price might range a little, might have some spike weak rejections, but I think this is a very strong level and price is going to hold it as long as your stop loss is above the weak area here. I think we are still good for sales, but when given the evidence, I don't think you should wait a little longer. If you have the evidence meaning the network has been a little bit slow. So sorry about that. Network is a little bit slow today. I'm really sorry about that. I think I'll be ending the live stream now. The network has been very bad, and I like to give you guys a good content, a good stream, but the network issues have been really bad. But I really hope you guys learned a lot today. I got some tips on how to enter the market. If you have any question, you can go to my YouTube page and chat me up directly. I will respond to you as soon as possible. And you can also join my trading community where I drop free signals every day on gold and US oil. I drop a free signal every day, so you can check out my page, my YouTube page, and join the community. And if you haven't subscribed, subscribe to the